Nĩ mĩeri 6 ĩtigarĩte arutwo a mbere a grade ya 9 maingĩre grade ya 10 mũtaratara-inĩ wa CBE, ona gũtuĩka thirikari no ĩrorotwo nĩ kwaga mĩbango mĩkinyanĩru ya kũgacĩrithia mũbango ũyũ na makĩria kũhe arutwo na aciari mwerekera wa meharĩria. Anyiti itemi ya gĩthomo kaunti-inĩ ya Garissa nĩ maikĩte rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari kũhanyũkia mĩbango ĩno makĩria ministry ya gĩthomo nĩguo kũhũthĩria aciari mũrigo wa gwĩcũrania ndagĩka ya mũthia.
Now we are moving from CBC, we are moving towards CBE, and in this case we are required to have the 3 pathways, and I think so far the ministry is not even prepared. So I'm urging the Ministry of Education to prepare and fast track all the necessary machinery that's required so that by next year, January, all the facilities that are required are in place so that our students who are transiting from grade 9 to 10 are in good place and so that they are not out of place.
Ministry ya gĩthomo nĩ yũrĩtio ĩhande mĩthingi ya gũtigĩrĩra gĩthomo kĩa grade 10 nĩ kĩagacĩra, kuma waki wa irathi cia kũigana, arutani makinyanĩire, oro hamwe na indo cia gũtwarithia na mbere gĩthomo ta mabuku marĩa maratwarana na mũbango ũyũ wa CBE.
Tunataka the national government, Ministry of Education, iwajibike. We don't want always to have haphazard ways of implementing government programs. This program of CBC and CBE was there for the last 7 or so years. But now we understand that nothing is in place for transition from junior secondary school to senior secondary school. So we're asking the minister or the CS in charge of this program to ensure that we do not have confusion during this transition. We have only 4 months or so, or 6 months or so remaining. So in those 6 months, we expect all public schools, they will have adequate infrastructure, adequate equipment, and adequate teaching staff, so that the smooth, seamless transition of our education system endelee.
Ona kũrĩ ona ciũria cia ũrĩa arutwo megũthiĩ grade ya 10, kwĩrĩkanĩte mĩbango ya gũcagũra thukuru iria mangĩenda gũthiĩ nĩ nyitĩte thing'a mĩena ĩtiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Learners who are currently in grade 9 in our junior schools, placement for senior school has already kicked off on 26th of May this year. You can confirm that with our heads in our primary institutions. They are already uploading the learners detail in the system. So the ministry will ensure every learner by January is in school. No learner will be left out. Even those who fail to join senior school, the ministry, through with the Ministry of Interior, we shall do mop-up to ensure there is 100% transition.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Waithĩra Nduati wa Mwangi.